Good morning, friends. It's Running Kimono. We're doing a Walgreens curbside deals, meaning you physically order this stuff through your cell phone or a desktop computer, opt to have it as a pickup at the store. You physically drive to the store, go to the photo counter, say, "Hi, my name is Jane Smith." They're like, "Oh, Mrs. Smith, here's your curbside order." And that is it. So that's what we're doing. No register rewards in this little deal. Just to note that you can't get register rewards with curbside offers. Before we dive into the curbside deals, check your digital coupons folder if you have this. This is valid from Thanksgiving Day right till Saturday the 26th. I know a lot of you got it. I was getting a ton of message over on Instagram. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. I kind of had the idea of this. Double, triple check if you have it. I still haven't received mine as of yet, but fingers and toes crossed, this appears in the next couple days for all of us. Wouldn't that be nice? Not a given. Maybe it's just a handful of us, but I know a lot of you are getting this. Okay, curbside deal number 1. We are going to pick up 2 of the Maybelline Baby Lips at $4.99 a pop for a total of $9.98. You need a minimum of $10 to get a curbside pickup, so they got us by 2 cents, didn't they? So we're going to load this digital coupon, and there is no exclusion, so yes, you can get the very cheap Baby Lips. We're also going to throw in one of the Hallmark cards for $3.59. They finally changed around the programming where you can add in cards because there's a slew of these $3 digitals, all for the Hallmark holiday cards. So if you have a couple special people on your list you want to get a really nice card for, maybe this is the way to do it. Looking at the overall basket, these are the digital coupons that are coming off. At the very top where it says enter code, write take 25 for extra savings, our $3 Hallmark and our $4 Maybelline right there. Looking at the overall basket, it's $13.57, $1.65 of promotions, curbside pickup is free, a little bit of tax, $7 of digitals melting off. For a new total of $5.64, I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay the 64 cents and call this an amazing deal. Okay, curbside deal number 2. For this little dealio, guys, we are grabbing 3 of the OLAY body washes for $7 a pop. I know if you do this deal in store, you get a $4 register reward, but it's much better to do this one online. So we're going to be grabbing 3 of these body washes for $21. I had to mix and match. So we have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2. Please make sure you have this one loaded, class. In the enter code area, you will type in OLAY 5 for an extra $5 of savings. So you have to enter in that code right here, plus our $3 digitals coming off. That's $8 right there. Now, let's not forget, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, you're getting $5 back when you buy 3. So when you go to the photo counter, make sure that you get a physical receipt or digitally you have your Walgreens and IBOTTA accounts attached. Either way, it should work. But if you need a receipt, make sure you get one. So looking at the overall basket for this one, it's $21 for 3 of those body washes at $7 a pop. OLAY 5 melts $5 off. Curbside pickup is free. We have our tax along with the 3 off a 2 digital. You're going to pay $13.96. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $3.96. Make that $5 submission to IBOTTA. After everything's said and done, it's $8.96 for the 3 or $2.98 per body wash, which is a killer deal, especially for Olay. The next deal that we're looking at, number 3, we're going to grab 2 of these Nexus hairsprays at $11.99 a pop. The secret of this is that if you try to do this in store, it is so much more. So it is more advantageous to do this as a curbside deal. And the promotion for these are to buy $20 to get $10 back in Walgreens cash. We have this digital coupon, which is a $5 off a Nexus hair care product, and the hairspray is in fact included. So when you're checking out, where you can put in a code, type in take 25 for an extra $4.75 off. Plus, you're also getting $5 off with that digital coupon. So this is kind of magical if you think about it. So looking at the overall basket, it's $23.98, $4.75 in a promotion, free pickup. We have our tax and our digital coupon for a total of $15.38. Use your debit card to pay down the balance. Do not use any Walgreens cash. As this is a spend offer, you're getting back $10.23, so it basically makes it like $5 for the 2 hairsprays or $2.50 per hairspray. That is a sensational deal. Okay, so now we're looking at curbside deal number 4. We're going to be grabbing 3 of these Vaseline. It's like a little lip balm, and they're $1.99 a pop. It's on a special promotion of buy 2, get 1 for free. This is part of skincare. It goes on your lips, so it's part of your face, so part of skincare. So put 3 in your basket. We're also going to throw in one of these holiday cards for $3.59. And then we're going to grab one of the Dawn Power Washes for $5.49. If you've never tried this stuff, it really is magic in a bottle, especially if you have a lot of greasy pans. It's really great. We're going to load the following digital coupons that include this $2.25 off of a Dawn Power Wash. A little bit of alliteration there. And then we're also going to load the $1.99 off of 2 Vaseline lip. Now, this coupon was hard to load a couple weeks back, but it seems to be working now. And then the $3 off of a Hallmark card for Christmas or holiday card. Okay, guys, so looking at the basket here, these are all the digital coupons coming off. Make sure that when you can apply a code, type in TAKE25. Yes, it's only 15 cents off, but I guess it's better than a kick in the pants. But the Dawn Power Wash, the Hallmark, and the Vaseline, all of those gorgeous coupons are coming off very, very quickly, so that is nice. Looking at the overall basket, your total was $13.06. Free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and $7.24 of digitals coming off for a new total of $6.44. I personally would throw in $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.44 and call this a really good deal, especially that you're getting like 3 cute lip balms, a card, and then the Dawn Power Wash. Really good deal. The final deal that we're working with this week, the Soap and Glory, I think pretty much all of their Christmas holiday kits are 40% off. So something that's 8 is down to $4.80, something that's 10 is down to $6. Whatever you want. I'm just throwing 2 random things to get me close to $10 in a basket, and I think these are both like stocking stuffer items. So 2 items that I picked up is $10.80. Curbside pickup is free. We have a little bit of tax. So the new total is $11.45. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.45. And this is 2 really cute stocking stuffers. Or if you gift to everybody in your office, 2 quick little gifts, throw in some candy. You have a little bit of Merry Christmas right there. But if you love Soap and Glory, this is a heck of a deal at 40% off. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.